Snapchat has launched an incredible new feature and I'm going to tell you all about it and how to use it right now on I.O. Welcome back to InformOverload, where we tell you about everything that's happening on the internet. I'm Charlotte Dobre. Tell me in the comments below what your favorite social media app is. Snapchat is way ahead of Instagram when it comes to experimenting with new groundbreaking features. It launched the Stories feature before anyone else, augmented reality lenses, and much more. Before, when you were using a Snapchat lens, it'll ask you to raise your eyebrows or open your mouth or tap the screen to activate animations. And now, as of Wednesday, August 1st, Snapchat is allowing you to control lenses using just your voice. Yes, that's right, specific words and voice activation can now trigger animation when using Snapchat lenses. Snapchat will ask you to say words like wow, love, or hi, which will activate a variation of different animations. According to a Snapchat spokeswoman, hi triggers an animation where you become surrounded by a flock of birds. Yes triggers a zoom. If you say no, you could end up in an infinite photo tunnel. And wow results in a cute little bow appearing on your head. On the one hand, this is pretty cool. It's similar to using voice commands to control devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Maybe that's what the future will look like, where everything will utilize voice activation. I feel like that might be really loud. On the other hand, do we really need voice activated Snapchat lenses? According to reports, the new feature is a little bit buggy. Some people say that they have to shout words to get the app to hear them. There's also the issue where, like, what if you're somewhere like on a bus or at an office and you're using Snapchat? Do you really want to be shouting at your phone? Hi! What? Probably not. You might look a little crazy. Although in big cities like Toronto and New York, people talking to themselves is not necessarily out of the ordinary. I usually just assume that people are like actors practicing their lines. That's usually what I'm doing when I'm talking to myself in public. The new voice-controlled lenses will appear in the lens carousel periodically, meaning that they will be different every day. There will be around 6 of them in the carousel to start. We are wondering if this new feature will bring people back to Snapchat. 191 million people use Snapchat every day. Instagram stories, however, have at least 400 million daily users. Alrighty guys, that is all I have for you on that. It is comment time. Do the comment tabs. Comment tabs. Jade Fatal said, I stopped watching Shane's video for this, no regrets. Oh, thanks for saying that. I love Shane Dawson and his videos. Ernesto Estrada said, you already said this like 3 times. Yes we did, and you still clicked on it 3 times, by the way. Breed Creed said, Charlotte is the prettiest potato ever. I feel like it's not that hard to be a pretty potato, but thanks for the compliment. Turtle God said, holy crap! There was a llama? Show it, I must see it. Behold, llama. Llama got fired, but he still lives on my desk. He's actually quite dusty right now, because... That is all folks, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by smashing the thumbs up, subscribe, and notification bell. If you want to keep watching, make sure you check out this video or that playlist right over there. And for those of you who have Instagram, follow me and I.O. Our links are posted in the description. That's it for me, and I'll see you in a future I.O. video.